Hi everybody, Sharon from Vivid Days. People that watched my live the other day saw me create this mould. Now this is with Jesmonite. It was viewer's choice with what mould I went with and the colour choice, and I really love them. But I'm going to show you how to make it pop. So I got an idea from Claire from Claire's Crafty Corner. She's using a little stick here to brighten up these things. So what you're going to see is you just come over the top. Now I know that you might want me to just leave it as it is, but I'm not going to. I'm going to come through and I am going to just add paint, gold paint to all this here, and then you're going to see the end result looking like that all the way around. So bear with me while I do that. How cool does that look? If you want to see me create the original dish, pop over to see my live and consider blinging up your projects to add another dimension to them. Speak to you later. Bye.